Hello and welcome to our tutorial video series. This is the first video. In this video we're going to be going over the system overview. So we're not going to be going into too much detail in regards to the widgets and kind of the in-depth sort of stuff, but there are some really important things that you do need to know. So this video is designed to let you know about those things. Like I said, give you a general overview. If you do want to know more about the functionality of the widgets or the platform itself, there are other tutorial videos for those things, and they go into more detail for each specific widget or function of the app. So if you want to know more about that, check out those videos, and you can go into more detail there. With this video, like I said, it's going to be our system overview, so we'll just go over a few things really quick. I definitely recommend you watch it through the end of the video, because there are some really important things that I want to make you aware of, and don't want you to miss out on that. So make sure you watch it to the end, at least this one. So here we are. You can see that we're in our appearance section right here. When you first log in, you'll probably be directed to the home section. In the home section, it's got a lot of good resources for you, tutorial videos, a few other resources, so you probably saw that, maybe even how you stumbled upon this video. But definitely check there if you have any questions about the system and you want more training or go a little bit more in depth. Check there first, and that's kind of going to be your go-to resource. The appearance section, well, before I get into that, let me say we're very excited about our platform. We honestly think that it is probably the easiest platform to use that there is. Probably the main reason for that is our emulator over here. One of the things that sets us apart, amongst many I think, but one of the things that sets us apart is that our emulator is actually interactive. And it's responsive, and I'll show you what that means in a second. But it's interactive, so that if you want to get to a specific thing, you can just pretend like it's a phone, pretend like it's your app, and click into it. So what I mean by that is, say for example, I want to get to this About Us section. Well, instead of having to go find the About Us section over here, I can simply just click it, and it'll take me right to the About Us section. Same thing, if I want to go back and I want to get to the events, I can just click events, and there you go. It'll take me right to the events module. So that makes it really simple to navigate. If I want to get to my other set of icons, I can just drag this over, just like I would on a phone. I can drag it back and forth, or click this at the bottom here, and it'll toggle me in between those screens. So that makes it really simple. The other cool thing about our system is that whenever you make an update in the back office, the updates that you make are going to go live just within a few minutes. So the next time somebody opens their app, or they check their app for information, or they go there to interact, they're going to see the latest information, graphics, sliders, layouts, all that stuff that you have done to your app. So it's really cool. It's a live editor, as we like to call it. Very responsive. So here you'll see the appearance section. This is where you can deal with anything pertaining to your appearance. You can change your layouts, your background color, background image, home screen, sliders, branding, your icon, logo, all that stuff. Your colors and themes, you can change the colors and themes of your app here, font types, all that is right here in the appearance section. In the widgets section, if you want to add a widget real fast, both with the appearance and with the widgets, like I say, there's other tutorial videos that will take you into more detail concerning those. But say I want to add a widget, it's really easy. I can get there by two different ways. I can either go over here to this widgets section on the menu, go down to add a widget, or if I find this plus button, I can just click that plus button, and it'll take me to the widget selection page. And then if I want to add a widget, say I want to add an event calendar, I can simply click on that. I can title it Events. I can click on an icon or upload my own. Let's just click on that. I can add a section and either add manual or iCal. Like I said, we'll get more into that later. But you can see that now that I've added that in, the events is going to show up. Now, there's two because there was already one before, but that's all right. I have both of these events. Now, if I want to reorder an event, all I have to do is go down here. Or, I'm sorry, if I want, not an event, if I want to reorder a widget, say I want it to be events about us events instead of about us events events, then all I have to do is go down here to active widgets, click on that, and I can drag these around as I see fit. So it's really easy to manage that way. You can see that the tabs over here are reordering when I reorder. So that's kind of the overview. You might actually have another tab here that says settings or engage, and that that would be if you have a published app and a premium account. That's going to allow for some really cool things. If you don't have a premium account, definitely recommend you get one. That's going to have push notifications. It's going to have selective push notifications. Some other really cool things that you're going to definitely want. So there's that. And then the last two notes I want to make that are really important. The first one is the publish button. Whenever you make a change in the back office and you want it to go live, you have to click this publish button. What that does is it resyncs all the servers and makes sure that whatever somebody is seeing on their app is the latest information that you have set here in the back office. So you have to click that publish button whenever you want a change to go in effect. The other thing is that in the appearance, if I change anything, it will go live within a few minutes, except for the icon and the loading screen. Those are hard-coded into both the app and the app stores, and so if you happen to change one of those things, which probably won't happen very often, but if you happen to change it, then you'll need to let us know for a resubmission so that we can do that. So that's about it. That's our system overview. Like I said, if you want to find out any more information, if you want to go into more detail, you can check the other tutorial videos. So thanks a lot for watching, and we're glad to be working with you.